G'day legends, Artist Wayne here, and today's video is one of those very cool moments because AlienRider just sent this little beauty out for me to test, which means I get to play with some seriously cool tech and you guys get the honest verdict. Because this thing has a 6.2-inch screen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front and rear cameras, tyre pressure monitoring system, 77 GHz radar. Fantastic! Because the way I ride, I need all the help I can get. So, massive thanks to AlienRider for trusting me with their M2-QR motorcycle riding system. Because now my job is simple. Just install it on my mighty Tenere 700, ride the wheels off it, and tell you exactly what I think. No fluff, no nonsense, just a proper real world test. So now, let's crack open the box and take a look inside. Alright, here we go. This is always my favourite part. Brand new gear, fresh out of the box. And we're starting with AlienRider's tyre pressure monitoring system. Now this is already a win in my book because tyre pressure is one of those things everyone knows is important, but nobody checks as often as they should. Next up we have AlienRider's blind spot radar warning system. It can see danger, warn me about danger, and apparently help me avoid danger, which is handy because I seem to attract it. And now for the big guns. The AlienRider M2-QR motorcycle riding system. This thing's got more tech than the space shuttle, or possibly an alien spacecraft. And can we just take a second to appreciate their logo? I absolutely love it. A huge 6.2-inch screen, which is perfect because it's big enough that an old bloke like me doesn't need to put glasses on to see it. Next up, Sony front and rear cameras. Clear recording even in rough conditions. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is an impressive pile of parts, mounts, wiring, hardware. Literally everything you need to bolt this space-age bit of kit onto just about any motorcycle. So whilst I start fitting the AlienRider M2-QR infotainment system to my mighty Yamaha Tenere 700, here's a quick promo video so you can see exactly what this thing is capable of for your viewing pleasure. Alright, we are installed, powered up and ready to roll. Time to see how the AlienRider M2-QR actually performs where it matters, out on the bike. And straight away, that 6.2-inch screen is doing exactly what it should. Clear, easy to read, even while moving. And yes, I still don't need my glasses. That's a big tick already. In traffic, the M2-QR really starts to shine. Information is right where you want it. Quick glances, no head-down riding. Everything feels calm and organised, which is not always how my rides go. AlienRider's front and rear 1080 pixel Sony cameras are crystal clear with great colour and stabilisation, which is great because if something goes wrong, at least it'll be well documented. Now, one of the standout features for me with AlienRider's M2-QR motorcycle riding system is the 77 GHz blind spot radar warning system. It really excels at its job. It's subtle but noticeable, exactly how you want it. And at the end of the day, anything that helps spot danger before I do, I'm all for, especially when I have a habit of accidentally creating it. One thing I really like is that AlienRider includes all the mounts you could possibly need. No guesswork, no extra trips to the hardware store, it's all in the box. And they also include cables you need to plug the unit straight into your computer, which makes accessing settings and downloading footage quick and easy. Alright everyone, so far the AlienRider motorcycle system has been seriously impressive. But let's be honest, the real test isn't gentle riding, the real test is me. That means it's time for the Artist Wayne pressure test. Now it's time for the Real Shakedown. Time to test AlienRider's M2-QR off-road and rough terrain. And this is where I was really curious. Rough ground, vibration, dust. This is the kind of riding that kills bad electronics. But so far, solid. Nothing shaking loose, screen still clear, no weird glitches. The only thing I managed to break was the sound, and that was just me accidentally hitting the mute button. That one's on my clumsy fingers, not the system. Another thing worth mentioning is that AlienRider includes absolutely everything you need. All the mounts worked perfectly on my bike, nothing improvised, nothing bodged. They even include a screen protector, a Bluetooth remote controller, and the tools to install it all. Honestly, it made the whole setup an absolute breeze. Bad weather doesn't faze this thing. Rain, fog, low visibility. The 77 GHz radar still works even in misty conditions. It can see danger before I can, and that's a win. Alright everyone, after a proper install, extensive testing and a full Artist Wayne pressure test, I can honestly say that the AlienRider M2-QR motorcycle riding system has seriously impressed me. It's well built, well thought out, and it actually adds real world safety and usability to the ride. From the screen to the cameras to the 77 GHz radar, it just works. So for me, it's a solid 5 stars. Massive thanks to AlienRider for sending it out, and as always, a huge thanks to you legends for watching. If you enjoy the videos, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next ride. I'm Artist Wayne Dowson, and thanks for watching everyone.